Today, I'll guide you through the step-by-step process of transferring your YouTube channel to another Google account. Let's get started. To transfer a YouTube channel, it must be a brand channel. If your channel is not a brand channel, watch the video I just made about how to move your YouTube channel to a brand channel before continuing with this video. Okay, let's get started. Click on your profile picture, click on YouTube Studio, click on Settings, click on Permissions, click Manage Permissions. Click Manage Permissions again. Now, log into your account by entering your password to verify it's you. Then click Manage Permissions. Click on the user icon. Enter the recipient's Gmail. Click on the drop-down menu, select Owner, click Invite, click Done. The Google account that you just invited will receive an email that looks like this. Click Accept Invitation. Again, click Accept. Click Manage Permissions. Now sign into your account by entering your password to verify it's you. Click on the drop-down menu, select Primary Owner, click Transfer. Here you need to wait 7 days because, as you can see in the bottom left, it says it can only be transferred after they've been a manager for more than 7 days. Wait for 7 days, and after that, you will be able to transfer the channel. That's it. Please note that the interface or page changes quite often, so if the page or interface looks different, don't worry. It's the same process with slight variations, but the core steps will remain the same. Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance with your website, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.